watch the video. Here come. Next station 1. First station, see like that they give the example. Assess the patient X, identify the 3 pre-early nursing needs. Assess the patient X. One patient is in the station number 1 in the better patient. One real patient. Fever, any type of patient. Their question is assess the patient and giving the 3. You need to write the 3 prioritized nursing needs. If you identify the patient with fever, you need to write the fever nursing diagnosis. Adon station. Next station, conduct the MSc mental status assessment. Common example. Or conduct the assessment or conduct the level of courses conduct madanta. Adon second station. Next, third station is ECT. Electroconvulsive therapy. This for third year. ECT electroconvulsive therapy of patient ke write in record the what is the like that some station 3, station 4 change the P. Okay, change the P positive expiratory result. Change the P for at least 10 to 5 of the patient 0. So patient Z who is on ventilator. Change the P pin, change the ventilator support circuit. This for third year questions. Third year and maybe second year research too. Already then given on patient for the check. Idella and station 6 interpret the ABG report or station 7 patient prescription or calculation of the medication. IV fluid calculation. Patient 8 mention the drug name or uses adverse effect like that. There are some questions like a basic like that. There are some questions. Now last one 8th station interpret the ECG strips. Interpretation ECG problem interpretation station 8. Some one more station is some hospital they put the one more station means rest station. In rest station ಏನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You don't do anything, just you get sick. First station only problem ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In the first station if they get any rest station there is waste. Only they are going and sitting. First station rest sick with first exam station. If first station student going to the rest station go there some knowledge or idea something time ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ to write the points in the rest station. ಅದು main station. Okay, that's the different stations of the this one ASCII. Main station ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sometimes not every time listen not every time ASCII exam they connecting the college. Every time college la connect ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ASCII exam. ASCII exam is not every time connected in the college of nursing. Sometimes they ASCII exam they connect in the hospital side or real patient experience. You need to check the patient pulse. Station only check the patient pulse. You need to check the patient pulse, especially nursing foundation student. Check the patient pulse. Show the what are the pulses in the patient area, sites, pulse sites. Check the BP. Check the temperature. Like that they will ask the questions in the hospital side ASCII. Maybe college side ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ they won't ask some theory and practical they mix ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ procedure line and case wise. In hospital side they take the real patient real patients. Real patient means sometimes ICU ಮಾಡಬಹುದು like that. This type of questions say this type of question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು maybe be ready. This type of questions. Check the people, check the ventilator circuit or show the modes of mechanical ventilation support. Like that they will ask any type of questions in the ASCII or in the stations. You will last finish cycle. Next last if you have any doubts about the ASCII, how they are conducting the ASCII exam, any doubts is there, please ask your questions. Please ask them openly, you can ask your any questions is there. This is about the ASCII examination class. Please share to your friends. Share ಮಾಡಿ please